check the packaging and let's see how it looks like. So this one is the yellow one. It's, I don't know if you can see it. Yes, wow. Yeah, so it's the fair one. So yellow is the fair, and there. Oops. Ayaw niya mano. Okay, so ayaw niya magpapump. Ayun. Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. If bago pa lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. And please don't forget to like at share din or share my YouTube channel, and just please comment down below if you have anything na suggestions or any recommendations on my YouTube channel. And yes, I know guys, it's been a while, so I think the last time that I uploaded the video, it was June or July. I am not sure. And yung last na in-upload ko pa is about Specimen Zero. So I played Specimen Zero. So sorry guys, naabot ko lang yung mirror. But yeah, anyway, this is the, second take ko na to. Kasi yung first na tinake ko is, I forgot na hindi pala nakakabit yung mic. So I have to redo it or retake it. But yes, as you can see in the title, for today, it's 11:30 na. So 11:30 ng gabi. So I decided na since it's been a while na nag-film ako ng makeup look, I will recreating my new no makeup look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. So napag-skincare na ako, and then if you remember, ipa-play ko na lang din yung no makeup look kong in-upload. I think it was 2019 or last year ata nung in-upload ko yun. But yes, nakapag-apply na ako ng skincare, nakapag-skincare na ako, and nakapaglagay na rin ako ng primer. So last time, ang ginamit ko is yung, ano ginamit ko? It's concealer, but it's Everblend na concealer. But right now, since bumili ako sa fresh ng Tinted Sunscreen, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, ano siya? Buy one, take one. This one is from Sunglow by Fresh. And this, I don't know if you can see it. Yan. So, I have the two shades. I have the medium one and then the fair. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is, ipag-mix ko silang dalawa. So, I haven't opened this yet, and I'm not sure how it looks like kapag tinanggal sa box. But yeah, let's see. This one is 50 ml na, and it's buy one, take one. I forgot the price, but I will just put it on somewhere on the screen. And ito siya kapag open. So, let's check the packaging, and let's see how it looks like. So, this one is the yellow one. It's, I don't know if you can see it. Yes, wow. Yeah, so it's the fair one. So yellow is the fair, and then the purple one is the medium one. Yan. So sabi dito, ang claims dito ay, ano sabi na kasi, super tiny nung sulat. But ang claims netong Tinted Sunscreen by Sunglow by Fresh is, it will give you a radiant, glowing, and natural looking skin. So let's see if this is totoo ba, or if this is really worth your penny. So, kasi ano to, trending siya sa TikTok. Pero medyo late na yung paggamit ko for pag-review natin. So, yes. So let's go ahead and remix natin siya. This is the fair. Ayaw niya mano. Okay, so ayaw niya magpapa. Ayun, okay. So siguro enough na yan. And then, let's pump the medium. Siguro one pump lang. Ayan, okay na. And then, we'll mix this too. Mix lang natin siya. And then, hindi ako sure kung pakulay ko siya. By the way guys, baka magkakakay kung bakit may mga red ako dito sa mukha ko. After ko nag-apply ng primer, naglagay din ako ng, gumamit din ako ng color correct. That's why there's like a red tone or red mark on my face. And then I'll just use this sponge. This one is, oops. And then, mag-spray lang ako ng facial mist. This one is from Plum Manila. And this is the Witch Hazel. They have two variations. Meron din ako ng isa, which is the aloe vera. So, actually, it depends on you guys if you want to blend this out using your finger. But for me, I'm just gonna use this sponge. Or you can also use brush. It's also a good thing na hindi ako masyadong nag-upload ng mga makeup looks because as you can see in my face, super, madami akong pimple marks and nag-breakout din ako. So, makapagpahinga naman yung mukha ko kahit paano. I don't know if my voice is loud enough na narinig niyo ako, but I'm using mic, so just let me know guys if my voice is, you know, mahina ba or feeling nyo ang boses ko ay malungkot or hindi lively, just comment down below. Because I feel like, whenever I watch my previous vlogs, feeling ko ano yung boses ko. Matamlay yun. So yeah, I don't know if this will end up as no makeup look, but let's see. We'll see it. So, nag-apply na rin ako sa bandang neck para pantay. Hindi naman pang ano. Okay. So, ayan siya. Okay, so ang masasabi ko lang is feeling ko naman nag-match siya sa color ng skin tone ko, and true to explain naman na when applied, meron siyang radiant and, you know, glowing and natural looking. So, if makikita nyo guys, yan, nag-glow yung skin ko dito sa batang part na to. Yan. Sabi din pala dito guys, this one is good for all skin types. So, my skin type is a combination of oily and sometimes dry. So, okay. And then next naman is, ang gagawin natin is to magkikilay tayo. So, for my kilay, I will just use this Maybelline Hyper Curl. Okay, so since this one is, ano makeup look? No, never mind. I'm not gonna use this one. So, I'll just use this one. The brow gel. And I have this spoolie right here. So, sprayan ko lang siya ng facial mist. And then, wait, parang ni ata. So, just have to remove yung mga buo-buo. So, kita ba? Okay, so yung kilay ko is maraming mga excess sa gilid kasi hindi ko nakakapag bunot na kilay, but that doesn't matter. So, patay pa rin tayo ng and since makapal yung kilay ko, hindi na ako masyadong nag-apply ng pangkilay o ng pomade kasi nagmumukha ako masungit. So, I think it's better to use this one. Just have to nakakamiss yung makeup. So, yun naman, super busy. So, yan. Okay na siya. And then, wait lang. Ang bushy ng ano ano ba yung trending siya? I mean, puso siya. Yung bushy eyebrow. So, makikiuso tayo. And then, next naman is magka-apply ako ng I'll be applying I'll be using this Vice Cheeky Blush. I got the 4 shades, so yan. So, gagamitin natin siya sa ating cheeks. I don't want to use cheek tint or lip tint on my face, so instead of using lip tint, I'll just use this Cheeky Blush ng Vice. So, the 4 shades that I have is Sheer Plum. This one's the Sheer Plum, the blue one, and then Everyday Nude. I think we can use this as a contour. And then, the pink one, this is the Playful pink, and the orange is the Perfect Pitch. So, I haven't opened this product yet since I ordered, since receipt ko siya. So, yan. I don't know if you can see it, pero naka-plastic pa yan. But, let's open. I have my cutter right here. And for you to have an idea kung anong klase bang color siya, I will swatch it as well. And then, let's decide if what is the best for my cheeks. Okay, so the first one that I'll be trying out is the, anong shade kasi ito? Playful pink. Swatch muna natin siya. Okay, so this one is the Playful pink. I don't know if you can see it. Like the, super lakas ba ng ilaw ko? I'm using 2 lighting. So, I don't know if okay, the second one is the Everyday Nude. And this is the Perfect Peach. And then for the last color, or last shade, the blue one, this is the Sheer Plum. Okay, so that's the Sheer Plum. So again, this is the Sheer Plum, this is the Perfect Peach, this is the Everyday Nude, and then the last one is the Playful Pink, this one. So I think it's, ano ba? Orangey or the Perfect Peach, I'm not sure, but I will just use, hold on. So I will go with the Playful Fit Black. So I will use the Perfect Peach. So lalagay lang ako dito and then apply ko siya sa cheeks ko. And I'm going to use this brush. This is from MAANGE. It's the blush brush, this one. So let's just blend it out. And so ubusin lang natin yung tira dito. Okay, there you go. And then, para lang makakulay yung sa bandang eyes ko, I'm going to use the Everyday Nude. This one. And then this one, I'll apply a small key size. And then, gagamit ako ng brush, which is the Flawless Concealer brush ng MAANGE pa rin. So, but I'll apply using my finger. Okay, so, may nanihilo natin dahil namatay na isang gamit natin na, wait. Well, okay naman siya, pero I think hindi ko ganun kakulay. So, I'll just add another pea size of this Everyday Nude. So, para naman hindi tayo mukhang mukutla or inaantok. Okay, so medyo yung kakulay ng ating eyes. I'll just blend it out. And I think that's enough. Ano ba next? So next naman ang ilalagay natin is, okay, so para lang medyo magmukha tayong petite yung face natin. So ito natin yung gagamitin ng Everyday Nude. Lagay ko siya sa, and then I'll contour tayo dahil yung ating face ay mataba talaga. So I'll just use this contour. Okay. Wala siya, girl. And then let's apply on, mag-apply tayo sa nose para matangos ang ating ilong. So I will use this brush. This was from MAANGE as well. It's the Angle Shading brush. So same thing. Apply ko pa rin yung Everyday Nude ng Vice. And there you have it. Last step. I think I'm not gonna apply this. Hindi na tayo mag-eyeliner, so I will proceed now with lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm not sure, but I think I will go with, I mean, hindi natin apply sa Vice Cosmetics. Okay, so let's apply the Sheer Plum, this one. Okay, so before tayo mag-apply ng Sheer Plum's lips, mag-powder muna tayo. Okay, so I will use this powder brush, letter F. Ito nga pala guys, I mean this powder brush, this one is from Plum Skin Manila as well. So it's a mineral loose powder. So, i-press down lang natin siya. Para hindi tayo makintab. I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay. Okay. And, what's next? Lipstick. Yeah. So, ga-apply na ako ng Sheer Plum sa lips ko. So, magalagay lang ulit ako dito sa likod ng kamay ko. Okay, so, wait lang. Pagkatuhan ko lang to ng itong Playful pink. Para niya ko. Okay. And last step na gagawin ko, i-apply ko is maglalagay ako nito colorette na shade niya is Rose Quartz. Mag-highlight tayo. So, put it on the higher part of my face. Okay. guys, so na-apply ko na lahat. And then, spray lang ako ng facial mist and then, I'll be right back guys. And there you have it. This is the final look ng pag-recreate ko nung no makeup look ko. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. And again, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and then hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. And just comment down below if you have any suggestions or any requests para sa mga susunod ko pang video. And yeah, well, I see you in my next one guys. Bye guys, take care.